My dear technician, check this out. Right in my hands, this is Techno 474. I want to show you something very important. Okay? Don't skip this video so that you will learn a lot. I want you guys to learn a lot. This is the original battery that comes with the phone. Let me turn on the phone and show you something. I want you guys to learn. I've been saying this time with that number. I want you guys to see the proof that battery can cause. In fact, let me not say it till you see it. Okay? This battery is low. Let me plug charger. Check this out. Charger connected. Let's wait and see something. Please, let's wait. Check this out. You can see that the charging stop. Yes, this phone beeps a sound. Beep, 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 beep. It means that the charging is error. Okay? Charging error is not charging. My dear technician, my customer brought this phone to me and told me that this phone is showing charging error. So, first of all, I checked the charging IC, it was still working, and I changed the charging port. This is a new charging port. I changed the charging port and I put a new one. I checked other things, it was still working, but this phone keep on showing charging error. So I later changed the battery. Okay, I'm going to use this battery to test it for you guys to see if it's going to show the charging error or not. So let me do it now. This is a Techno battery. It's the original Techno battery. Okay, so let me turn on the phone. Please wait, don't go anywhere. I want you guys to see the magic. Don't go anywhere, please. Okay, so let me plug charger now. If you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I just plug charger now. Check this out, charger connected. Let's wait and see if the phone will show charging error. Check this out. It's still charging without showing the charging error. My dear technician, please don't go anywhere. Take your time to watch this video. Check this out. It's still charging without showing the charging error. My dear technician, I'm going to put the other battery, the follow-come battery again for you guys to see the proof. I want you guys to see the proof, okay? Okay, but before then, let me use this battery booster, okay? This is battery booster. I want to use this battery booster to show you something. This battery booster can be used for so many things. My dear technician, let me use this battery booster to show you whether the phone is adding percent while charging. Okay? You can use this battery booster to know whether the phone is adding percent while charging. Okay? There are so many things that you can use this battery booster to do. I know a lot of people don't know this. The video is coming very soon. If you're in my training group, you're going to enjoy a lot. Okay? My dear technician, the first thing I will do here, I'll put battery in this phone and connect charger and show you something on the screen of this battery booster. Okay? I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to do what? To learn. Make sure you don't skip this video so that you will learn. Okay? So let me plug battery now. Check this out. Check the battery booster. Have you seen? It changed from red to blue. The blue simply means it's charging, while the red means it's not charging. Okay? Now you can see that the blue light comes up. Okay, wait and see something. You can see that it goes back to red, and you can see that the phone is no more charging. It beeps a sound, beep, 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 charging error. Once that sound comes out from the phone, beep, 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 charging error, just know that it's not going to charge. And from the battery booster, you can see, okay, check this out. You can see right now that it's not charging. Okay, so let me change this battery and put the other battery. Okay, it's the same brand, the same Techno battery. So let me put this one and see. My dear technician, if you have question, I want you to ask me in the comment section right now. Check this out. It's going to turn to blue. Okay, check this out. You can see now it's charging. It's charging. let's wait and see something. Let's wait and see something. You can see it's changed to red and later changed to blue. Okay, you can see it's charging. Okay, the phone uses pulse. I told you guys about pulse. Charging IC uses pulse to charge battery. My dear technician, please let's wait. Check this out. It's charging very well. It's charging very well without the error coming up again. You may ask, Father Joe, why is the phone showing charging error? But it is a follow-on battery. Yes, it can show charging error. Okay, this is negative, this is positive, this is NTC. Okay, check this out. The NTC is responsible for the charging error. Remember what I told you guys. The NTC is for data. Okay, my dear technician, if you check this battery very well, you will see 3 pins. Okay, you have the negative, you have the positive, you have the NTC. Okay, the NTC is responsible for the charging error. Now that the follow-on is showing charging error, it means that the battery BMS is no more working. Okay, something is wrong with the battery BMS. My dear technician, for you to solve this issue, either you change the battery BMS or you tell the owner to get a new battery for the phone. Let me know what you think about this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.